Hi, this is Chelsea. Today I'm at Titusville Toyota. We've been owned by the same family for over 75 years. We are located in Tacoma, right off of I-5 and the 38th Street exit. Today we're looking at this stunning green 2011 Toyota Camry XLE. On the exterior it has the automatic projector headlights, has fog lights, alloy wheels, heated mirrors, certified pre-owned through Toyota, and it does have a sunroof for those beautiful sunny days. On the inside it has heated leather seats, wood grain interior, has an automatic transmission, touchscreen entertainment system with CD player, iPod integration, and a USB port. It does come equipped with Bluetooth, temperature controls, and stereo controls integrated right into the steering wheel. Has cruise control underneath, very convenient for the driver. Has all the power options, windows, locks, mirrors, and seats. I did forget to mention it does have navigation as well. The back seat comfortably seats 3, as you can see. Has the LED tail lights, backup camera for parking. Plenty of space here in the cargo area. Does have a cargo net to keep things from moving around. All of our inventory here at Titusville goes through a thorough safety inspection. They are beautifully detailed, so you can purchase with confidence. Give us a call today to set up a test drive with one of our professional sales representatives at 253-475-4155. Thank you for clicking on our virtual tour.